Nature. Nature is full of infinite beauty and wonders. In nature, birds form a major part of beauty, adding joy, peace, and wonder. This is the Major Mitchell's cockatoo. It is also known as Leadbeater's cockatoo or the pink cockatoo. This medium-sized cockatoo inhabits arid and semi-arid inland areas and southeast Queensland's subtropical region of Australia. With its soft textured white and salmon pink plumage and large bright red and yellow crest, it is often described as the most beautiful of all cockatoos. Major Mitchell's cockatoo females and males are almost identical, while the males tend to be brighter and larger than the females. The females have a broader yellow stripe and more orange in their crest and develop a red eye when matured. These intelligent parrots raise their crest when excited and happy or to assert themselves. It also makes them appear bigger and acts as a defense system when feeling threatened. This parrot is funny and energetic, as well as cuddly and affectionate. They can live up to 60 years in the wild and 80 years in captivity.